Hello everyone, welcome to MTB and More YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my bike and how I have it set up. So I'm running 29-inch tires on my Giant Stance, and I've got RockShox Recon in the front, RockShox Monarch in the rear, SRAM derailleur, and DT Swiss rear wheel. Aggressor, Maxxis Aggressor in the rear, Maxxis Minion DHF in the front. My shocks are air shocks, like most new shocks. I've got Shimano brakes. In front I've got Deore. Rear, got Shimano Deore in the front. I've got a Fox dropper post. And this little bag, which is quite handy for carrying multi-tools and some other things. I've got a spoke wrench in there, just in case. Twist your wheel on the truck. Gotta get new pedals. These are getting pretty worn down. As you can see, the stubs aren't very sharp. I've got tubeless tires, front and rear, and disc brakes, obviously. Got a nice stem on it, nice aluminum stem. Well, actually they're all aluminum, but, well, never mind. Some are carbon, I guess. Got carbon fiber stem spacers. Oh, I've also got this cool bike light, really bright. Not sponsored by them, but hopefully eventually. This is my bike, and so you've seen my bike now, and now this is the bike stand I made. I'm using a Park Tool stand with tube. I actually used a bike rack, so it goes into the trailer hitch of the truck. So the bike rack part had a little part at the top that connected to like the standard bike rack, so I cut that off and bolted on this Park Tool stand, which works quite nicely. I can put my bike behind the truck, work on it. Okay, see you guys.